Welcome back, everybody. Now, I'm doing videos for how to make money in crypto while you're sleeping 24/7. Sometimes we make money, sometimes we lose money. But one of the most important thing in life is to help somebody else. So I started a journey, what's called More You Give, More You Receive. And today, this is number 22. Thank you for everybody who's spending 5 minutes from your time so you can see what I am doing and what we're doing. If you hear the kids screaming, sorry. Now, don't be greedy and wait to make millions to start helping. All that Lambo, that's a fucking bullshit, okay? That's a bullshit, okay? Watch this video. Just, it's a 1 minute, like around 2 minutes from a child who lives in the garbage, in the dumpsters, okay? Look how they live. No food. No electricity, no water, nothing. Please take a few minutes of your time. Appreciate for what you have. Okay. So the video for this child is coming next time. Okay. Hopefully it will be next week or the week after. But after that, it's a real video how we're helping a family in the Philippines. Okay. Now, thank you for everybody who helping the family in the Philippines, and also my amazing person in India who is also working hard to find a teacher for that poor kids in India. But this will be video to follow, hopefully, also in the next 1 or 2 weeks. Again, thank you so much. Don't wait to make money to help. And also think about what you have and appreciate how much you have. Don't complain for what you don't have, but be happy for what you have. Thank you so much. Let's go to the video. Spend 5 minutes. Thank you. Okay, guys, so look how they eat, look how they live. Again, be happy for what you have. This video is coming next week or the week after, and let's go to the main video of today. I just want to give you some intro of the next upcoming video. Very sad.
naghahanap na naman tayo ng isang pamilya na matutulungan natin at sana yung konting tulong na ibibigay natin makatulong po sa kanila. Kay ate, ano pong pangalan niyo, te?
Ako po si Gemaline Buenavente,
Buenavente. Opo. Ilang taon na po kayo?
44.
44. Si kuya po, yung asawa niyo po?
Ano po, 59.
59. Ano pong trabaho niya?
Ako, laborer.
Laborer po. Kayo po, ano pong trabaho niyo?
Dito lang po sa bahay.
Sa bahay. Ilan po yung anak niyo, te?
Ano, 8.
8. Yung ito yung pinakabunso mo. Ilang taon na siya?
Magtutungo sa 25 ng December.
Malapit na yung birthday niya. Ano, ilan po yung sa anak niyo yung nag-aaral pa?
Bali, 3.
3 po. Ano yung mga elementary?
2 elementary tsaka isang grade 12.
Sa public sila, public school. Etong bahay na to, ano to sa inyo? Nabibigyan pa kayo?
Ano lang po, caretaker lang. Parang
Caretaker. Gano'n na kayo katagal nakatira dito?
mga
12 years na. Matagal na din. Oo. Sa ano nyo po, linya ng tubig, meron kayo?
12. Nakikisahod lang kami sa kabila.
Nakikiigib kayo? Okay. Sa kuryente, ano to? Nakikikuryente lang rin kayo? Okay. Bali ate, ngayon, napili namin kayo na mabigyan ng konting tulong. Sana makatulong po sa inyo. Mamaya-maya po ayusin natin yung konting tulong na sinasabi namin. Galing po kay CryptoPil. Opo, bali, ano po siya, siya talaga yung nagbibigay ng konting tulong para po sa mga para sa mga kapuspalad na katulad natin. Opo. Sana yung ibibigay namin ay makatulong sa inyo at mapasaya namin kayo kahit konti. Maraming salamat po kay CryptoPil sa konting tulong na nabigay niya para po pala Ate
Gemaline.
Gemaline.